Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation today in our large cap space. Today is January the 3rd of 2024. It is a new year. What our technology is doing is going through all stocks available in the market, thousands and thousands of them, and identifying what are the top ones that institutional investors might be buying or selling the most of. In real time, it's identifying these things. At the speed of light, LLY pops up here at the top of the main dashboard for our users and subscribers to take advantage of today. And no wonder, there's nearly a 300% increase in institutional bullish pressure, so the stock ends up jumping 3% as a result. Now, speed and transparency are critical here. This is obviously at the end of the day, it's important to get that information before it's already jumped 3%. So how can we find out when our AI technology identified that? If we go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab and we look for LLY, we can see that at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, more than quadruple the institutional bullish pressure was identified. So that means our technology is going through all these private exchanges, transactions happening behind closed doors, and it's seeing that typically only $612 million of LLY is traded by institutions over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, January the 3rd, $1.7 billion. So it's more than $1 billion extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now, this large directional move starts to make a lot more sense. If you had followed smart money transactions and done call options, you could see a really, really nice list of triple digit returns. Let's say, for example, you had done the $620 call option. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart because we know our tech was picking it up at 9:34 a.m. This is the 9:35 candle. Options were ranging anywhere from about $1.50 to $1.90. At its maximum, 275% return today alone. Great way to kick off your new year. This happens day in and day out. And here's the thing, it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it, but the market moves very quickly. It's about having the information down here with TradeAlgo, as you clearly saw timestamped at 9:34 a.m., AI doing all the heavy lifting for you, as opposed to hearing about it over here after it's already moved. For example, you see a great entry window of opportunity. It was identified at 9:34. Maybe you didn't make the trade until 10 a.m., got out early, still made over 100%. Maybe you didn't even take the trade until your lunch break at noon, still made 100%. Get the data down here with TradeAlgo. And it wasn't just LLY, there were many other opportunities. We don't have time to go through all of them though, so let's just take a look at one more. If we go to the trending downside of the equation now, we can see DG, which is Dollar General, very top of the board. 165% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So it pops up at tradealgo.com. We even go as far as to send alerts to our users directly to their cell phone on entries and exits of positions. However, with a DG here, it dropped more than 6% as a result of all this institutional bearish pressure. If we go to our TradeAlgo Alerts tab one more time, we can see that Dollar General was also actually identified at 9:34 a.m. Same time as LLY, but on the bearish side with 118 times the institutional bearish pressure. So sometimes the signals are so obvious they just hit you upside the head, and look at the massive drops it makes as a result. If you had followed smart money transactions and done put options, you could see a list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. Let's say, for example, you had done the $132 put option. We are taking a look at the 5-minute chart. So this is 9:35. Options were in between about 14, 15 cents at its maximum, up over 1,200%. But again, maybe you didn't even get in until noon and then got out early at almost a 200% return. With TradeAlgo, you get information here as opposed to other resources of information where you're getting it over here. Stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market. Come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.